Okay everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Unity error for Zenless Zone Zero. So watch the video and try not to skip any steps. There are a couple of solutions to fix this, so stick with me. The first solution is to cancel out of Hoyo Play or Epic Games out of your task manager, restart your PC to see if that fixed it or not. That should always be the first thing you do when checking for these kind of errors. I'm assuming you've already done that, so let's go on to step 2. Step 2 is go to Hoyo Play, go to here, go to Game Settings, go here, go to Open Directory, find the exe. Now you want to copy this as path. And what you want to do after this is go back to your desktop. You want to say new shortcut, copy and paste that desktop shortcut, and you want to add force D3D12 on top of that. Click next. Name it whatever you want. Take out the exe, click next. And you want to search for graphic settings in Windows Search. Find that here. This is assuming you have a GPU in your computer, of course. Go here. You want to select this, click add. Once you've added this, click options, and you want to click on high performance and hit save, and that should solve a lot of problems. If that still didn't work, go back to this executable, right click, click on properties, go to compatibility. You can click on run this program as an administrator. That should solve a lot of different issues that you're having. If that still doesn't solve your issues, you can click on compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, Windows 7. Even if you're not running Windows 7, Windows 8, that might fix some issues. The other thing that fixes issues for people is to disable full screen optimizations. And any one of these things, try them one at a time and see if these fix your issues. You just click on apply and OK. Try it again, see if it runs. If that still isn't fixing your game, you might need to lower the graphics settings, or you want to update the graphics driver. So one of these things should have been a solution to your problem. If it's still not fixed, leave a comment on the video and I'll try my best to help you fix it.